Welcome to Elaine's garden. This is inspired by my sister who loves to garden. Here we have string beans, tomatoes, yellow squash. Come on with me, let's continue. We have here peppers. Let's show them the peppers. Come on over and show the peppers. These will be red peppers. Here will be butternut squash.
Well then, if you have to put your head in that.
No, that's okay for now. I'm just going to show the plant.
Okay.
Butternut squash.
Okay.
And over here is okra. Butternut squash and okra. Now we can go up.
Okay.
And we help others. This is not mine. Now you can show me.
Okay.
This is not mine, but I want to show you the efforts of others, that we are farmers that reach out and help everyone.
Yes.
This garden.
Yes.
This is Victoria's garden. This is the rest of my garden.
Yes.
So we just reach out and look at the love of God as He said, seeds multiply, grow, and feed my people. Thank you. Now hit the button.